Hello everyone, this is the part 5 video of the 6-stop quadcopter project. Today we are going to talk about 3 points. First, how to model the wing disturbance. Second, how do I make the animation. Third, how do I introduce or include more drones into the simulation. So in my website, you can see the new winged simulation model. These are the information about what I add to model the wind, and here you can see some simulation animation. Okay. So the drone is set to hover at z equals to 1 height. However, it is subject to different level of wind, so it responds and behave differently. Some can still hold its position, while some will even crash. So you can download the link here. Second, how do I make the animation? Okay. So whenever you run the simulating model, you will get this out structure. Let's see what is in the structure. So in the structure, you will see the XYZ position and the Euler angle. These are the essential parameters you will need to make the animation. Okay. So now let's look into the animation direct script. Okay, this is the figure, and you describe the limit of the XY and the weight and height of the animation window. Okay, and this is the viewing angle. You can decide it. So the point is here, Anim Euler. Okay, so you can see that it input the time, the simulation time, and the XYZ, also the Euler angles. And I input this VXYZ to display the velocity. Okay, so it is just for displaying the value. So if you want to do the animation, first you are going to find the X body frame, Y body frame, and Z body frame of the drone, which is the blue axis, the green axis, and the red axis. Okay, I will show you. So here you can see the blue axis. This is the X body frame. The green axis, this is the Y body frame, and the red axis, this is the Z axis frame. So whenever you can draw this three axes in the inertial frame, then you can get the full animation of the drone. Okay. So here use the body to inertial frame transformation, so you can get the real XYZ of the X body, Y body, and Z body frame. Then you just need to draw it. Line 1 is the X body frame of the drone, blue axis. Line 2 is the Y body frame, green axis. Line 3 is the Z body frame, red axis. So after you draw the X body, Y body, and Z body frame of the drone, you can easily draw the frame by using this simple calculation. Okay. And here, 0.5. This is the size of the drone, 0.5. This is the length of one arm, okay? And the drone has 4 arms. Okay. So over here, it's just to display some value when doing the animation. After you draw all the line, you need to delete it to have a fresh figure for the next time step. So that is how you make the animation. It's really simple. Now let's come to the third point. How can I simulate multiple drones? For the part 1 video, I simulate a drone that can follow a target. So if we can change this moving target into a drone, a leading drone, then we can model 2 drones, right? And even we can also include the third drone, which is also following this moving target. extending this idea, we can have the ability to model multiple drones. So I will give you a hint about how to do that. This is the model of the part 1 video. Okay. So over here, this is the following drone. Okay, the following drone will take the target position as the input and follow it. So if we want to model 2 drones, what we need to do is just to copy another drone here, and that drone will output its XYZ position as the input of the second drone. Okay. So you can copy this, put it to here. Okay. So we use the path mode to define the path of the leading drone over here. And the leading drone will output its XYZ position as the target signal to the following drone. The following drone will then use the XYZ target signal to follow it. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you something about the fuzzy controller.